Hi everybody, Cloudy's back for a little while, I guess. We're gonna play this cat game, as you can see from the title. And there probably might be some background noise because I'm on phone this time. Sorry for that. Let's start this. Oh, it's loud. Hopefully you can hear me. Doo-doo-doo. Oh, hi. You must be the new owner of Cat Tower. I am Mr. Lollypow, your cat game guide. What's your name? Cloudy. Ah! Username already taken. Let's go to your new home. But first, these 3 kittens are looking for a home. Let's choose one to take with us. Mister or Princess? A very hungry cat. I like Mister. I like all of them. I want all of them. Why can't I have all of them? Pick me. You are not going to regret it. We can play so many pranks together. No cat is safe. Mwahaha. Uh-oh. Yes. Boots. This little guy lives to cause trouble. Only a truly mischievous owner could handle such a little rascal. Oh my gosh! Cloudy Cloud, you're almost as pretty as me! Well, not really. But you're still very pretty. Ah! Your hair looks so good for someone who doesn't try. Stop! Go away, goodness gracious. Don't need to see my textings. I think that's a compliment. Wally is the most graceful cat, or so she thinks. Trust me, you better not tell her otherwise. I almost said choose. Hi there. I'd like to order 1 donut, please. Smudge, this isn't a shop. This is your new owner. Oh, hi. I'd still like to order a donut. Smudge, they don't have any donuts. Oh, no worries. I'll just take a pizza then. Smudge loves to sleep and eat. Sometimes he does both at the same time while dreaming about food. They're all so funny. I want this window. I'm gonna call him my cat's name. Zipper. Yes, you are the best ever. Forget those other kitties. Let's get out of here. Here we are. Boy, this really worked up my appetite. I'm starving. You don't have any food, do you? Burp. Feeding your cat fills up the heart meter. Let's keep feeding. Feed. Feed. Your cat is full. That was delicious. Kind of lonely here, though. Can we adopt someone for me to play with? What about me? this is what we might get in the basket. We have a chance of getting a new cat. The basket has finished. Woo woo! Oh, I said woohoo, not woo woo. Let's find out what we get. I hope it's a cat for me to play with. Yes, me too. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Yes. Aww, so cute. Tabby. Can I rewrite his name? Can I rewrite his name? No. Dag flips. Continue. Meow. Hello, new friend. Guys, I'm starving here. I haven't eaten in 10 minutes. Do you have wet food? I love that stuff. Ta-da! Can I rewrite your name? Yes. None of my cats are tigers. I guess I just named Tiger. Yes. I don't even know how many minutes this is going on for. I don't even know if it's gonna work. Boop. Yes, I say boop when I poke stuff on that screen. Deliver! Deliver me the cats. Deliver me all the cats. What? I gave you food. Now, I don't want to become VIP. Where's the wet food? Buy what? Oh, wet food. Pew. Pew. Huh? I gave you all the wet food. Already delivered. What? I'm so confused. Why do I need the wood for? Spin the spins. Oh man, I wanted a log. A kitty cat. Oh man. We got logs. That's boring. I want another friend. Don't worry, we can use them later. Let's try to adopt a cat again. Yes. Yes, I agree with you. How? How do I do this? I forget. I forget what button I hit. Ow, ow, ow. Dude. Give them the food. Oh, you feed them, you get ready to deliver. So the cat delivers a cat. Spin. Cat, cat, cat. Yes. Calico. Oh, they're named by their freaking what kind of cat they are. Welcome to the party, guys. It is so boring in here. Ever heard of decorating? He's right. If we want more cats to live here, we need to decorate. Looks like the next cat is locked. Boop. In order to unlock, we needed this window. Boop. Let's craft the window now. You need 2 logs to craft it. We already have them. Donkashaw. A window, finally. Now cats will want to join us for sure. Dude. Dude. Wait, I need to name her. I wanted that mama. And now I want to name her. Dang it. Dude. Spins. Cat, cat, cat. Yes. Cat. Japanese Bob. Aww. Got some stars. We just need 2 stars to level up. What? Let's see what will happen. Yes, let's. You reach level 2. Continue. Oh, Siamese! My kitty! Dots. Coins. Gems. Wow, we just built a whole new floor. A whole new set of cats can live there. The fancy cats. Oh, goodness. Yes, they are fancy. Oh, goodness. Where do these ways to find these? Boop, 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 boop. Goodness. So fancy. Here you go. I am name you my cat. Cat is a Siamese, well, half Siamese. And her name is... Uh-oh. Oh, it has blue eyes too, like, uh-oh. That we can now adopt cats in the fancy rooms. Deliver. We can now go to the shop. Shop, shop, shop. Check it out. Okay, something is definitely wrong with these words. I have never seen so much food in my life. The shop is the best place to buy more food. Yes. But is that all? There's like more room to put stuff. Boop. Spinaroons. Kitty cat. Oh, Scottish fold. I don't have any of the names for these. Okay, guys, we need a name for the calico. Where's this one? Name for this one, and we need to name for this one. So say which one. Okay. And then I'm gonna feed this. I need to put my other cats in this one here too, but I don't know what kind of cats they are, and they don't look like any of those cats. Boop. Mons. All the muns. Up. Silly cats. So many things to do, dude. Spin around. Only 2. Oh, come on. Two of them. Meh. Why am I trying to get that if I don't need that? I need wood. I think I gotta sneeze. Warning if I'm gonna sneeze. I got 4. 2. Yep, I sneezed. Yes, I sneezed that way. Get over it. I don't want this making so much noise, but I don't know where to put this without putting it on my hand. I mean my phone. Doo-doo. Yes, a new thing. Window. Fancy window. New cat. Give me cat. Give me cat. Give me the cat. Give me the cat. Give me the cat. Kitty cat. This one's not gonna be 10 minutes. Hopefully it'll be. Hopefully. Maybe not. Alley cat. Coat. Still cute. And we need to give Alley cat a name too. Still cute. They all have Cloud's face. They all have Cloudy's face, except Oh, thank you for the muns. I don't have that food. Where's that food? I saw it here somewhere. Let's just buy those. These just in case. Cat? No. I didn't think so. Wasn't. Fancy couch. Spin around. I don't know how long this is going for. Sorry. Golf is too boring. Probably too boring. Yeah, it's not here. 8, 7, 6. Yes. Sorry, Cloudy is getting comfortable. Boop. Need all of these. There we go. Cloudy is trying really hard to be happy. Really hard. But she's still kind of depressed. So, sorry if Cloudy is acting more weird than last time. But she has different moods or something. Cloudy is talking about weird stuff now. Give the food. Give the cute kitty the food. I want to draw them. want to draw them. I'm going to draw them and draw in this style. And then make it a cloud kitty. And then a grass kitty. And then a rock kitty. And then a toasty kitty. And a water kitty. That would be fun, but Cloudy is very, very bad at drawing from her brain. Cloud Kitty! Cloudy was just talking about Cloud Kitty. Cloud Kitty! Cloudy is very happy for Cloud Kitty. This place is the best. We're going to earn so many coins here. Yes, so many. In the bank, you can vote on other people's decorating rooms. This is a great way to earn extra coins. You can also play mini games like this one, or this one. More ways to earn coins will unlock soon. Watch our video. Unlock at level 10. Oh, that's 99 cents. Enter contest. Contests are fun. Let's see other people's rooms. Let's see. Does he have lotion on his nose? That was cute. Guess which room is the community's favorite. Earn extra coins if you are right. Guess 5 times in a row for an extra coin bonus. Well, I don't know. Help. No, I didn't want to click that one. The B one. It has to be the B one. Okay, everything's loading in. Oh, it is blowy. This one's blowy. Why are you so blowy? Fire Kitty? Not Fire Kitty. Lava Kitty. Bee Kitty. I like the Bee Kitty. Aw, poops. It was that one. I like. Yes. Oh, Lion Kitty. I think everybody's doing like the background, but I'm doing the kitties. Ah, poops. No combo. Ugh. Old kitty. Unicorn kitty. Ah, poops. No combo. Ah, unicorn and bee kitty. Cloudy can't choose. Cloudy can't choose. Okay, let's look at the background then. Cloudy likes this one. Ooh, it's kind of wide. Okay, this is how Cloudy talks when she's being cloudy. So, I guess you can tell her if you want her to continue talking like this or talking like other videos. Cloudy doesn't know how long this is right now, and she doesn't want it to be too long, then nobody will watch it. No, which one? This one. Bee Kitty. Now just need a few more. Yes. Dang it. Well, Cloudy has done that. Play mini game. Connect heads. Okay, that sounds long. To create bigger ones. Pop them to score points and time bonuses. 1 point, 2 point. I have time on this. Cloudy doesn't like time. Do 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 do. Daddy really doesn't like time. Wow, that's a big one. Oh, Cloudy's time is down there. Hey, grass! It's grass cat! Grass cat! Grass cat! There was actually a grass cat and a water cat. There's water cat. Now Cloudy just needs all these ones. Cloudy can't make any more. No. Oh, I have to pop it. Oops, I did not know that. Oh yes, I did know that. I read it, but it didn't click. Hurry, Cloudy, hurry. Very much hurry. Ah, poops. Cloudy could have done this better if it clicked in her brains. Ah no, it's gonna play a video. Not even what a video.
At Adventure Academy, a fully immersive world.
Go back. Claim the vid. Yes. Play mini game. See this one. Create lines of 10 to score points. Okay. Thought I can do this. Sorry if this is boring for you. But you can skip. Cloudy's just getting muns. Muns. And seeing all the things. Haha. Ditto. Okay, Cloudy won't play this game because, it's probably boring for you. Cloudy will play it on her own time. Mandaroons. Cat. Finally. Fast cat. Oh, look at the yawn. It's so cute. So cute. Cloudy cat. I'm gonna name her cat Cloudy. Cloudy. Name her Cloudy. Cloudy. Oh, you're so cute. And she has Cloudy's favorite color too, which is coral pink. And the room is coral pink and gold. I forgot I need to feed her. Cloudy doesn't have any of that food. Just wait. It's probably a lot of money. Goodness. Boop. Cloudy should stop this video because it's probably very long. Deliver, deliver, deliver the devil. I need this one. And 3 more of those. Finished. I don't care either ones. Got 2, just enough, hopefully. Is that just enough? Yes, just enough to get this. Rug. Green rug. Sweet little kitties, get the new cat. Poopsies. I need to feed this one. Now we need names for all the cats. I don't know what names to give them at all. This is really fun, but Carrie is gonna have to go soon because Claudia doesn't want this video to be so long that you not watch it. It's so close to getting another kitty. Okay, she will get another kitty and then she will leave. Okay? Okay. Spin the runes. And then Claudia never gets to get another kitty. Let's see if this one. Nope. That's still not in there. Sorry, Cloudy. You can buy this. Rare dragon tree. Get kitty, get kitty, get a kitty. Get kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Poops. It's like gambling. This is like gambling with my feelings. Need to buy more of those. That's enough. Ow, grapes. Never bought those before, so need to get a few just in case. Deliver the cat. Give me a kitty. Give me kitty. I need another kitty. I'm gonna be crazy cat lady. No, right in the middle of 2 cats. Right in the middle, 2 cats. New kitty. Name all the other kitties that I have named. Yes, finally. A kitty. Oh, yes! Wow, so cute. Black kitty, I'm going to name you Munchkin like my kitty. Like my kitty. So cute. Except Munchkin doesn't have green eyes. Munchkin has brown so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Come on. No, not lunch. No, not lunch. No. Come on. Again. Yes. Now, my cat came over here. Not much, no. Since I said her name, Zipper came over here. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, so cute. So cute. So cute. Okay. Cloudy will go now. And you can say if you want this more videos like this. And if you want Cloudy to talk like this too. Because it's kind of weird. But Cloudy will go now. Bye, Cloud family.